Hey guys, welcome. Today's little episode is me going through to Timols fishing tackle. I am here right now. Gonna be doing a bit of shopping, yeah. Come spend. I've got myself a voucher from the last Outcast comp where I got the biggest fish. So I'm gonna go and spend this R1,000 and maybe a little bit more, get myself stocked up, and yeah, go check out his shop. So yeah, let's go see what's inside. So yeah, at Ib's shop, as you can see, fully stocked. So guys, yeah, that was Ib's little shop. Got myself a couple of stuff to stock myself up, and yeah, I'll show you guys on the footage. And yeah, if you guys ever need anything from Ib's, go and visit him. He's got really good prices. He's got almost everything you can want, and if you need something that he doesn't have, he will get it for you. So go check him out, go visit Timols Fishing Tackle in Nigel. I will post the link below to their webpage and all that, and yeah, go visit them. Cool man, enjoy, and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.